Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the radar and selecting an operational mode. This is critical because incorrect power or mode risks damage. First, confirm the correct voltage, fuse integrity, and that the system boots to its firmware screen. Once done, switch from standby to wake and then to search while watching antenna spin at low RPM. Make sure the frequency band and pulse width match your mission profile. These settings determine range resolution and target detection capability. Now you perform calibration and begin acquiring targets, because precise alignment and timing ensure reliable detection. Start automated noise floor and timing sync routines, then manually verify antenna bore site alignment to reference markers. Next, adjust gain, clutter suppression, and Doppler filter thresholds to reduce false echoes while preserving weak targets. Conduct a short-range sweep to validate near-field returns, then a long-range sweep to confirm maximum detection. Record SNR and return profiles so you can compare performance before and after tuning. To finish, lock the working configuration and monitor the radar so you can trust its output during operation. Save the tune settings, enable alarms and recording intervals, and then observe performance metrics like false alarms per minute and persistent target tracks for 15 to 30 minutes. If something goes wrong, loss of returns or excessive noise, first inspect cabling and connectors, then rerun calibration routines, and finally check antenna bearings and motor drive. These steps resolve most mechanical or sync-related faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.